How to make your private server public on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making your Roblox private server public. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Roblox homepage and find the game you want to create a public private server for. Now go to the servers tab of that game and there you will see the option of create private server. Tap on it. Remember that some servers are free and others cost Robux, example 100 Robux, 25 Robux, which is according to the game. And some other games also offer free private servers. Click on create private server option and then give your server name. After that, click on buy now option in the bottom. Once you do that, click on customize, and once you're in the configure private server option, make sure you have toggled the switch of allow joining. While disabling this makes the private server inaccessible for you and other users that you have invited to this private server. So you can also go ahead and toggle the switch of friends allowed, or you can add specific people as your server members. And to share a join link, you can generate a link and copy it using the paper icon. Share the link with others in chat and they will be able to join your private server by clicking on it. So this was all about it. That's how you can make your Roblox private server public. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.